Now sp hybridization. Sp hybridization is overlapping of one s orbital and one p orbital. So sp hybridization is defined as overlapping of one s orbital and one p orbital. So overlapping or mixing of one s orbital and one p orbital, and their reformation into same number of orbitals into two new orbitals having same shape and energy. So the two new orbitals will have same shape. हालांकि यहाँ mix कौन हुआ है, एक spherical और एक dumbbell, but the two new orbitals will have same shape. And you know this S is at lower energy, P is at higher energy, but now the two new which are formed are, and they have same energy and shape. So in ethine, if we take an example of ethine, and there's a triple bond between carbon and two single bonds between carbon and hydrogen. So when there's a triple bond, तो triple bond में एक sigma होगा, दूसरा pi होगा, तीसरा भी pi होगा, right? So each carbon has two sigma bonds. और मैंने आपसे कहा था आप just number of sigma bonds and lone pair count करें तो आपको hybridization पता चल जाएगी. So there are two sigma bonds and no lone pair. Each carbon is making two sigma bonds. So carbon is 6, 1s2, 2s2, p. In S there are two electrons, in P there are two electrons. So these two will overlap, these two will hybridize, and two new will form. They will have one large lobe and one smaller lobe, and this is sp2. So ऐसे दो बन जाएंगे. But the remaining two which did not participate in hybridization, they will remain as it is. So इसका py, और let's suppose pz ने hybridization में participate नहीं किया, so वो as it is a dumbbell shape में, but px and s are converted into sp2. Now each carbon has two lobes. The two lobes will have, because they have one electron in them, in each of the sp2 hybridized orbital there is one electron, so they will repel each other and they will try to stay at a maximum distance to each other, at a maximum angle to each other. So एक लोब अगर यहाँ है तो maximum angle क्या बनता है, दूसरा लोब यहाँ होना चाहिए. Similarly for the second carbon, ये एक लोब है और ये second लोब है, right? And you can see head on overlapping हो गई यहाँ पे sigma bond बन गया, sp sigma bond between carbon and carbon. And two hydrogen will overlap with these two sp2 st lobes. So two CH bonds are formed. Both are sps sigma bond, same, right? And you know this, there are still two p orbitals which are unhybridized. तो किस तरह से है, अगर ये C इस तरह से है कि ये C इस तरह से और ये H आ रहा है, तो इसका मतलब जो इसका py है वो above and below the plane है. And where is pz, front and back. And you can see this, these pz's are overlapping parallelly. जैसे cc close आएगा तो ये दोनों, these two p orbitals will overlap parallelly, ये दो और ये दो, they will overlap parallelly, or these two will overlap parallelly as well. So it means इसका जो py है वो यहाँ से overlap कर, front और back से इसका pz overlap कर रहे हैं, that I cannot draw on the screen. There is another loop, there is another pi bond which is formed by the overlapping of pz orbitals on front side of the screen and on the back side of the screen. So there are two pi bonds. ये जो मैंने शो किया है ये above and below the sigma bond है, ऊपर और नीचे है, और ये because of py ऑर्बिटल की ओवरलैपिंग से, तो एक लोग यहाँ बना है, एक लोग यहाँ बना है, ये एक्चुअली एक सिंगल पाई बॉन्ड को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ पी वाई ऑर्बिटल्स. Similarly, there is a lobe on in front of a screen and at the back side of a screen, and that's because of pz overlapping. So हम बना नहीं सकते. So shape के लिए py मैटर p सॉरी पाई बॉन्ड्स मैटर नहीं करते. शेप के लिए pi bonds matter नहीं करते हैं, sigma bonds matter करते हैं. You can see right now all sigma bonds are collinear, the shape is linear. So shape is linear. Bond angle, you can see bond angle is 180 degree and hybridization is SP. So you can see bond angle is 180 and hybridization is SP. That's why we make alkenes. Bond angle is 180 between two sigma bonds. We make alkynes like this because the bond angle is 180 between two sigma bonds. So this is sp hybridization, right?